Atlas Space Operations is America's largest federated ground network. But what does federated mean? In this case, it means a network of networks. Take, for example, Amazon Web Services ground station. You can access Amazon Web Services ground station through our single API, along with accessing all of our ground stations that we own. Any other third party that we integrate instantly becomes accessible to you as a consumer. Every different ground provider has a different method of providing access. And the uniqueness of Atlas's offering is that we make sure that your access looks the same no matter the provider. And that includes the API, but also includes the data streams that come out of the provider. So when you receive data from Atlas, it will look identical to how you receive data from Amazon Web Services and any other providers that we integrate in the future. So what are the distinct benefits of adopting a federated network? One, you have consistent APIs and consistent data delivery. Two, you don't have to be concerned about the actual hardware or software that's processing your data. So you don't have to do anything specific to integrate. You are already integrated by the nature of a federated network. Three, it's inherently more scalable because your software engineers and your networking team has to do less to access these new antennas. At Atlas Space Operations, we can flick a switch and you effectively have access to a new ground station without being concerned for what that means with your networking stack and your software stack.